Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Sunday and time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Well, I don't remember which video it was last week, but I had said something about I was going to show you something exciting, and I thought about it and I couldn't really decide. So I thought today would be a good day for a signature shave. If you guys have been watching over the past 3 years of all my videos, I bet you're going to know the razor of choice is going to be my GameChanger.84 open comb. And my blade is going to be the Gillette Silver Blue, because I love this blade. And I should have taken it out of the package before starting the video. But I didn't. Come on, darling. The Gillette Silver Blue. I will load that up here shortly. And my soap of choice, because I love it. I get compliments every time I use it. Hands down, one of my most versatile scents is going to be Droid Black by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. And typically I would show you this in a tub, but this is the shave stick that I made, so this will be my thumbnail. And I will have the matching splash. I haven't... Okay, now here's where the fun part begins. I am a man of many things, though you may not know this. Anyway, moving on to the highlight of the shave. I decided to make a shave brush. Bing! Look at this beautiful brush. It is walnut and cherry. Now, I did get the walnut and cherry from my wife's cousin Todd, because I didn't have any wood that was already dried and ready to go. But anyway, here's what it looks like. Like I said, you know, this is natural wood, and you just never know what you're going to get with little blemishes, and I'm not perfect at wood turning. There's that. I need to wet the face. I don't have a name for my brush, but I will tell you that it is a Badger knot. Only the best. Let's get the shave stick out. The scent is coming alive. And if you guys didn't see my how to make a shave stick video, I cheated on this one a little bit. And should I tell you how I cheated? If you spy the label here, it says argan body oil and body soap. I took the label off the bar soap and put it on this container so I would know what it was. So that's that. I'm gonna, once I get it lathered up, I'm gonna be using this Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements shave scuttle. You put that in there. This is filled with hot water. There's an inner container that will keep that lather nice and warm. And I just enjoy warm lather. So this knot is not quite broken in yet. Let me dip a little bit of water here. I didn't go through the process that I typically do to break knots in. I was trying to think, what day was it I made this? Was it think it was Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't know. Tobin, if you remember, comment below. He got to see a little sneak peek of it. And since I was waiting on the glue to dry on the knot, I didn't really take time to go through and break it in. Now I gotta load the razor. It felt really nice, but I do need to break that knot in some. All right, go ahead and put this blade in here. Fresh blade for a perfect shave. Pass number 1 with the grain. Did I say thank you, Todd? In case you're watching, thank you for the wood. I shall mention, I don't plan on making any brushes for sale. However, I may make a couple to do for a giveaway or send to friends to make them go, ooh, ah. And that kind of thing. I have a couple more ideas that I want to do for some other brushes. Oh man, what a nice, close, smooth shave. The designs are unlimited. I'd actually started making a video for just the brush. So if you would like to see the video on the brush making process, comment below, let me know what you think. Would you like to see a video on that? I know it's shave related, but not necessarily a shave video. And some people just love the shave videos only. And some people love the bad videos. The I hate these things videos. And some people don't mind at all any kind of video. And I appreciate you all for all the different likes that you guys have. That's what keeps my channel going. Yes. Look at that beautiful brush. Anyway, even though there's some imperfections in it, I know them because I was the maker. Most people probably wouldn't notice it. And like I said, I'm not a master woodworker. So there will be some flaws. I had tossed around the idea of doing a resin handle. But I don't want to order the resin and the coloring and all that kind of stuff just for 1 or 2 brushes for myself. I think that would be a little too much. But I have plenty of time on my hands, and I may just do it anyway. I don't know. I do have some honey locust. I have some honey locust and black locust and some walnut that I'm waiting to cure. The problem is I can cut the wood down and turn it when it's green, but as it begins to dry, it may crack. And I don't want it to do that. So, all right, so I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. I decided while I was doing the rinse in the face that I would go ahead and rinse that brush out a little bit. And I think one of the things that really helps with when you're bowl lathering, kind of helps open that knot up. Let's get a little splash of this. Oh, yeah. Droid black. And I forgot my aftershave, or I forgot my star jelly. Ooh. Got a little cut on the bottom of my hand there. Feeling a nice tingling sensation on it. Whew. Let me wipe off that extra star jelly. I'm doing all right on time. So, let me show you the brush one last time in case you didn't look at it. Just look at it. But yeah, so there's the knot after it's been opened up a little bit. Beautiful. Look at that. And for some reason, the name Rook just screams at me. And you can see where my tail piece went in there because I didn't want to clean it up. I wanted it to be authentic. All right, well, that's the shave for the day. I'll put a picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys possibly on Will It Shave Wednesday. I've got a few ideas for that. So you have a great rest of your weekend. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Was that something you would have thought to be my signature shave? All right, you guys have a great rest of your weekend.